Got a quick meal for you today. 1 pan sausage and veggies. Check it out. Guys, that does knock your socks off good. It's succulent and savory and good for you. If you want to see this recipe, stay tuned. Winning lottery numbers? All right, brother. Stay safe out there. Watch out for those crazies. That's a dad statement. And today we're using the RT590 from recteq Grills. You can simply turn the grill on using the recteq Grills app, select your grill, and just hit the on button. We're gonna turn it to 400 degrees, allow it to reach 400. While our grill heats up, we're gonna start assembling our 1 pan sausage and veggies. All you need, 1 sheet of aluminum foil, about a 15 by 20 pan, 2 cups of quartered red potato, 2 cups trimmed broccoli, 2 cups julienne, peppers and onions, 2 cups turkey sausage. Sprinkle some olive oil on top of them and season them with Colden's freaking Greek rub. Holy cow, look how good that looks. Man, the recteq grill knocked it out of the park yet again. For more awesome recipes like this, make sure you go to recteqgrills.com and follow us on all social media. I'm Jody Flanagan. We'll see you at the recteq. Holy cow, they knocked it out of the park. This is delicious.